Hi, I'm doing a promotion for my other book. I did one for my Crochet for Beginners paperback as a giveaway, and I did the free Kindle promotion. Now I'm doing the free promotion on the Crochet Hats for Beginners. So if you click on this, you can have it free, and the dates I posted are going to be August 12th through August 14th. All I ask is that you leave a review after you're done reading it. So this book, Hats for Beginners, Learn How to Crochet a Hat. I have the basic stitches in here, as well as once you get past the basic stitches, which I've done, then also you can get to hat patterns. And I have many different types of hat patterns in this Kindle book. So my promotion, it's listed in the title of the dates on when it begins and when it ends. I just ask that you leave a review. That would be great if you can. I know I've asked that on my other one and I didn't get very many, but if you could please do so since I'm giving it free. Once the promotion is done, I have it priced at $3.99 to buy. I have many different hats in here. I have this one that's only in the book, this one that's only in the book. I think there's another one that's only in the book, and then a couple of ones that I have had posted on my website. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you that free promotion. Please take a look, and if you haven't already, I also have this Crochet for Beginners in paperback at $10.99, as well as Kindle at $2.99. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please be a subscriber if you haven't already.